What's up? And it don't stop. And it don't stop. Don't stop. About to get it in. I don't give a fuck, feeling so repetitive. As I spit it from the top like a speaking impediment. But see, I'm about to give it like a spring president's speech when I do me. Yeah, damn right, I'm feeling like Big Meech. Nah, when I'm in the booth, I just do me. Try to teach the young Meech trying to suck off me. B-L-O-O-D, damn right. Do it for my homies, damn right. Better get it right when I do it off the top of the mind. Sometimes I mess up, but I don't give a fuck. I'm just living life to the fullest. One time, yeah, damn right, on the bullet. So fast, like I'm Flash, and I'm fucking saving lives, killing crime. One time, one line of the line, I'm be like snorting lines. Matter of fact, I don't do that. That shit be fucking up lives. One time, top of the mind, I'm feeling so full. But yeah, times I'm remorseful, thinking about the things that I used to do as a young kid. Damn, so fucked up, shouldn't have done that. But I spit rap and I do it for the love jack. What it is, homie. About to give it all to my short, to my homie. Something, give it up. Damn right, yeah, give it up.
We just laughing, have a good time, niggas just masking, niggas is splashing, niggas is copping, but I just basking, wake up my magic, nigga wanna talk about shit, but I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause it's tragic, and I'm about to make it come back on the flow. These niggas won't talk, nigga, but they loving me though. In case you didn't know, I'm running the shit. These niggas always talking, nigga, but they loving the hit. Like when they come up with the motherfucking CD, nigga, cause I need that, nigga, like they need me. Yeah, feeling like they need me, nigga, but please believe me. Let me tell you something about me, dog. I love smoking mad weed, dogs. Yeah, this is how it fucking be. When I get up on the fucking beat, I gotta release my mind like I'm releasing stress. These niggas won't talk, nigga, but they battling about who the best. And I'm like the young boss nigga in charge. I got these yeah, hold on, yeah, say, I got the motherfucking weed growing in the motherfucking lab, but I got the motherfuckers growing, nigga, I'm the captain in charge, these niggas won't talk, nigga, I just got yeah.
Time for your fucking mind, damn right, doing this shit like it's a motherfucking 9 to 5, and I'm fucking killing lives when I'm in the fucking booth fronting rhymes, spitting off the top, I don't give a fuck, better give me props, yeah, give it back to the block, and I got the shit on lock like a keyhole, when you see move, me hope, 1, 2, off the soul, I don't give a fuck, yeah, what it is, what you know, better know, kid is mad new with the flow, when I just drop like a port in the zone, what it is up the top, damn right, about to pass it off to my homie, yeah, get it one time, what happened to the beat, stop.